Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an AC compressor. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported and the engine is cool. Gather all necessary tools, including a refrigerant recovery machine, wrenches, and a vacuum pump. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection, before starting any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Before beginning the physical removal, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical hazards. It is crucial to safely discharge the AC refrigerant system using a certified recovery machine. Next, carefully remove any components that might obstruct your access to the compressor, such as belts or hoses. Always double-check that your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands. Now, disconnect the electrical connectors and refrigerant lines from the old compressor. Be prepared for some residual oil. Carefully unbolt the old AC compressor from its mounting brackets and remove it. When installing the new compressor, always use fresh O-rings and lubricate them with the correct refrigerant oil. Securely bolt the new unit into place and reconnect all lines and electrical connections. After installation, evacuate the entire AC system using a vacuum pump for at least 30 minutes to remove all air and moisture. Add the specified amount of new refrigerant oil to the system. Then, recharge the system with the correct type and quantity of refrigerant, typically measured in ounces or pounds. Finally, start your vehicle and test the AC for proper cooling and check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.